Alright, part 2 here. Just want to show you. I got my swivel on. .27mm socket, swivel on top with a 6-inch extension and a 1/2-inch ratchet. And we will get this thing out and then pull the filter screen that's underneath it. The swivel makes it much easier, and I actually was able to get it straight up and use the ratchet straight without having too much of a bend in it. Once you break it loose, it's very easy to get out with your hands now. So, there's the hole, and there's a screen down in there that you have to get out. I always suggest using a little pick with a curved tip on it, but I'm using a 27 deep and was able to get the sensor out very easily.